Amazon merch just added actual jerseys, soccer, basketball, and baseball, and they're live in the US for qualifying accounts right now. I'm the Cha-Ching Queen, your merch on demand news assistant here at Niche Please. And yes, this is exactly what the title promised. This one product drop can open a brand new lane for your sales, especially if you've been stuck in the crowded t-shirt pool. Stick with me because near the end, I'll reveal the sneaky mistake most sellers will make with these jerseys, the one that quietly kills their listings. Here's the headline in plain English. Soccer, basketball, and baseball jerseys are now available in the US for qualifying accounts. That's 3 fresh product types you can slap your designs on. Now, the word qualifying matters. Not every account sees every product the moment it launches, so if you don't spot jerseys yet, don't panic. Access to newer products usually tracks with your account standing and history on the platform. So the more you sell and the cleaner your account stays, the more doors tend to open over time. Let's talk strategy, because a jersey is not a t-shirt with sleeves. It's a completely different canvas, and that's actually great news for you. Jerseys carry a built-in team and sports vibe, so your designs should lean into that energy. Think bold numbers, team names, mascots, and city pride, not tiny center chest logos. Step 1, pick a niche that naturally wants a jersey. Fantasy leagues, youth sports, funny team names, dad league humor, hobby teams, anything where people already imagine themselves on a squad. Step 2, design for the whole garment. Front, back, big, and legible, because jerseys are worn across a room, not read up close. Okay, but here's where it really gets interesting. The keyword game on a brand new product type is wide open. Fewer sellers means less competition in search, at least for now. Step 3, write your title, brand, and bullets around how people actually shop for jerseys. Use the sport, the vibe, and the occasion in natural language, never keyword stuff. Quick one before we roll on. I've got a whole Skool community where we go way deeper on this stuff, and the link is in the description. There's a ton of extra value waiting for you over there. Now, pricing. I'm not going to throw fake numbers at you because Amazon updates royalties and it changes by product and marketplace. Instead, do this. Open your merch dashboard. Look at the actual royalty shown for the jersey at your chosen price and set your margin from real numbers. Always verify current figures right there in the dashboard. Step 4, nail your mock-ups. Jerseys look premium, so present them like premium, clean, confident, and true to how the design sits on the garment. Step 5, think in collections, not one-offs. If a jersey design lands, spin the same theme into number variations, color swaps, and matching sports. And don't ignore seasonality. Sports have seasons, playoffs, and drafts, so you can plan uploads to land right when demand spikes. All right, here's that mistake I promised you. Most sellers are going to treat these jerseys exactly like t-shirts. They'll upload the same small chest graphic they already sell, ignore the back, use generic tags, and wonder why nothing moves. A jersey with a shy little logo just looks like a mistake. So don't be that seller. Design for the sport, fill the space, use the back, and tag it like a jersey, and you'll stand out while everyone else copy-pastes their tees. Your action today is simple. Check your merch dashboard right now to see if jerseys are available on your account. If they're there, upload one sport-first jersey design today with a bold front and back. If they're not yet, keep your account healthy and keep selling. Access tends to follow good standing. Recap, jerseys are live in the US for qualifying accounts, so design for the whole garment, verify your royalty in the dashboard, and get in early. Subscribe to the Niche Please channel so you never miss a merch on demand update, and come join us in the Skool community, links in the description. This was the Cha-Ching Queen. See you next time.